If you are interested in taking your Wildstyle Graffiti letters to the next level, this video is for you. Stage 1. Foundation and Flow. Before you start drawing your Wildstyle Graffiti letter, check out the same basic letter fonts on the internet. Once you find a font you like, use it as your foundation and begin stylizing it into Wildstyle. First, draw your guidelines, one line at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. These lines will control the flow of your Wildstyle piece. The name I will be using today is my last name, Ngchong. It is spelled Ngchong. Start by drawing the name lightly. As I go, I begin bending, twisting, and connecting the letters to create the Wildstyle look. Stay loose with your drawing and don't overthink it. Just have fun with it. I will be talking through the process and add some music if that's help with the flow. Connections and details. Now I move on to stage 2, where I start adding arrows, extensions, and small bits and pieces to the letters. Continue drawing lightly and add details in between the letters where needed. Always watch out for negative spaces. You don't want large empty gaps breaking the flow. Keep the piece tight and make sure everything is connected. Some letters may overlap, some may twist into each other, but they should all feel unified. You can also add extra pieces on the top or bottom of the name if you want. If something doesn't feel right, don't be afraid to make changes. Stage 3. Perspective and block letters. Moving on to stage 3. Perspective. To create the block letters, I add vanishing point toward the top left of the page. Not exactly in the center, but slightly off to the side. You can place the vanishing point almost anywhere, just don't put it too close or it may look strange. Using a ruler, I draw perspective lines from the vanishing point down to the corners of each letter. Do this for all the letters. Once the perspective lines are in place, I start drawing the block letters. It's your choice how thick you want them to be. When you are satisfied, erase the perspective lines to clean up the drawing. At this point, we are looking at the piece from a bird's eye view. If you want to learn more about perspective, check out YouTube tutorials and 1-point, 2-point, and 3-point perspective. Stage 4. Outlines, values, and finishing. In this stage 4, I finalize the piece using pencil only. I go over the outlines again, especially inside the lettering, using thick to thin line variation. I also thicken in the overall shape of the name slightly to add variety. Next, I start filling in the letters using values light, medium, and dark. Since I am not using color, the realism of the piece depends on how well the values are applied. I'll fill in the block letters slightly at first, then gradually darken them from light to medium to dark. For the main lettering, I also shade gradually to give it depth. After that, I lightly sketch the background using zigzag motion with a very light pressure. The tool I am using here is the smudger, which helps blend the graphite smoothly. This technique is often used in portrait drawing and gives a clean, polished finish. Finally, I use drawing templates to add the last details. I'm going to finish the drawing now while playing some music. I don't go anywhere, and let me know in the comments, do you think the music adds to the video or should it keep it quiet? Alright, this is the piece. If you want your name be done on your in graffiti style, you take out my description box below. I'm gonna have my email there. You can contact me, and that's my name, my last name, Ngchong, Ngchong. Let me know if you like it. Make a comment, share video, and subscribe to my channel. My name is Ngchong. Thanks for watching.